I'm a BMW guy through and through, but this car might just change my mind. Hey guys, welcome back to the weekly recap at Obsession Car Detailing, and this is a W204 C63 AMG Wagon. I've never seen one of these before. I didn't know they exist. Apparently they do, and it's just been fully corrected and coated by us here. So let's take a quick look and see what we did to it. We polished the whole car, removed a couple of dents. Shout out to the Dent Brothers for doing that. Touched up some stone chips, performed a full paint correction. We polished the glass. The glass was like covered in water spots. It's like, I don't know what the story was. It was just covered in water spots. So we polished the glass, we coated it. Mikey gave the interior a really good detail. Actually, Mikey, did you clean the detail? Did you detail this one? Oh, you did. Awesome. Yeah, it did. And you know what? I just opened that door and I'm just getting a whiff of like early 2000s, late 90s Mercedes. They just all smell so amazing, and they just have this real nice, I don't know, just beautiful smell about them. It's just wonderful. I love it. Fully polished, coated, ceramic coated. We replaced the AMG badge. The owner provided us with a new one. I think the old one was a fake one or something. It wasn't on quite correctly, so we did that one. We haven't done anything to the wheels on this one. I think the owner is planning to get the wheels refurbed at some stage, and she wants to get the calipers repainted. So that will come later when the budget is bigger. But I think, you know, honestly, the before and after of this car is insane. It's looking absolutely fantastic. Funny story. The owner was telling us the day she bought this car, she was at the petrol station and someone came up to her and offered to buy it from her straight away. That's how rare these are. So yeah. Now, come along here. GT3 Touring. You probably saw this one last week. This one is done now. Mateo's just heat sealing it. Then we've got to just do the final touches. Full XPEL Paint Protection Film on this one. Fusion film, of course. We've got to do the interior screens still to go, and the matte PPF, and then put the car back together and it's good to go. Now, this one is manual. This one's got the comfort seats, which makes sense if you're going to use the car every day. I love the buckets, but I can see why some people prefer the comforts. And what is Mikey doing? Mikey, our in-house Porsche mechanic. Mikey, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm reassembling the car.
Did you disassemble it?
I don't think I've done this one.
No, but as a qualified Porsche mechanic who's actually worked on the GT3 Motorsports team, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. What watch are you wearing today, Mikey?
Oh, nothing. Is this the GMT? Hey.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Is this what face is this one here?
The Meteorite.
Meteorite. Yeah. Is that a rare model? I've never heard of that one.
For me, not really. No, it's probably my cheapest one I think I've got.
Oh, nice. When and how long have you had this one for?
A year, 2 years nearly. It's gone up in value, eh?
Yeah, nice. Other than that, mate, how's what is this here? What is that? Oh wow, there's a sticker on here. Let's leave that sticker on. The owner might want to take that off. Don't touch that. Yeah. I just saw that. I was like, oh, why is that yellow? It's a yellow sticker on the GT3. Other than that, mate, how's you were a bit sick last week. What was wrong with you?
Bro, I was cooked.
What happened? You partying too hard? Did you go home with a suspicious looking girl or something?
No, I was at home one day and my throat got a bit sore, and it just got worse over like 4 days, and then it was a bit better like a couple.
Was it glandular fever?
Nah, it was hantavirus.
Actually, yeah. What do you know about hantavirus? What do you know about it?
I don't know. I know that rats carry a certain type of it, but I don't think it's that contagious. There's one type that's contagious, but I don't think it's usually it's not contagious. I don't know. Yeah. I've just read a little bit on it.
Excellent public health advice there from Mikey. Mikey, anything else you want to add for our viewers? Any more tips and tricks or health advice you want to give?
Yeah. Woo!
No worries, Mikey. Thank you. Mateo, you got the heat gun there. I won't bother you too much. What are you up to on this one? What is this? Oh, okay. No worries. I was like, why is there like a plastic tub in the seat? I don't know what's going on there.
Yeah, I'm heat sealing and putting the PPF of the second layers, and that's it.
Easy. Are we doing the screens on this one?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's do it. We've got some matte film there as well. I think we've never had a customer say not to do it. We'll just do it.
Yeah, it just looks very nice.
Yeah, I think. And are we doing the center console, the interior PPF as well?
Yes.
Awesome, done. This one we're not doing. This is interesting. I haven't seen one with these yet. Everyone has the carbon. It looks kind of cool. But I don't think we can PPF that, can we? Because it will go weird. It won't look right.
No, I think it's just aluminum.
Yeah. Nice. This is an Ioniq 5N, and this is Obsession Car Detailing. Don't forget to hit subscribe. How you going? Yo, Ben, how are you, buddy? Let's catch Ben. So Ben is actually also known as the Stig. That's yeah. So as you can see, the Stig from Top Gear is actually Ben from ACT Eurohouse. This is Raptor in. He just brought it back. You would have seen this last week. He just brought it back to get a bit more work done. I think we added the tint on the. Actually, Mateo, have we tinted the mirrors yet? All right, we'll do those quickly. And I think he's just come by. He was taking my motorbike for a spin. Ben, how you been?
I think it's awesome.
Yeah, dude. Like, is this tuned yet?
Not yet. I will be tuning it. Downpipes, intake, intercooler, all that sort of stuff, and yeah.
How much power do you reckon it'll make when it's done?
They should make around 330 kilowatt.
At the wheels?
Yeah.
Jeez. So what's that? 12 second, 11 second, quarter mile?
Yeah, do something like that. Yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Just to work it.
Yeah, just to work you. Yeah. It's business purposes only. Exactly. A lot of guys buy these for work. Yeah. Not fishing trips or anything like that. No. Tell everyone about what do you do at ACT Eurohouse. Actually, are you ACT Eurohouse and import parts?
IPM Racing was the first business, yeah. And then from there we went, I've just gotten into the Euros. They're just quick in and out jobs. Not many people are doing big like builds anymore. That's the problem.
The world's changed, hasn't it? The days of people building RB.
Do them big cars, it does. And in Canberra, we just don't have that market really anymore. Also,
I found with Euro cars, honestly, they're so easy. Like G80s, you had one.
Yeah.
It's so easy to get power out of.
So downpipe intake and then tune, and an actual custom tune. That's the main thing about it. It's just cheap, easy, and they make a lot of power, and they're comfortable. So that's the best thing about them. So yeah.
Thanks, Ben. Guys, check out ACT Eurohouse on Instagram, and they're just down the road from us for all your. You do normal servicing as well?
Always, everything, yeah.
Yeah.
Cars, tyres, anything, yeah.
Everything. Or if you want everything from a hectic drift build or to like, stage 1 on your Golf R.
Yep, that's it.
Awesome. Thanks, Ben. All right, next up, guys, we have, Kai. All right, interesting car here, the Ioniq 5N. This is a brand new car, but it's not actually brand new. It's got some Ks on it, and it's from 2023. I think Hyundai just did not sell a lot of these when they were new, and they've had to heavily discount the pricing, and they're a freaking awesome car. Chris Harris loved it, and I love them, and I would love to buy one, but they're just too expensive. I don't know how much they're going for these days. Kai, how much were these when they were selling them new?
They were like 110, I think.
Yeah, 110. I think the problem was a lot of people buying EVs for tax purposes as well, and this was way above that luxury car tax threshold, so there was no FBT exemption on these.
Yeah. Like when they came out, they were being a performance-oriented electric vehicle. It was a very, very niche market, competing with like people that were wanting Model S plaids and stuff.
Yeah,
but they already found their market. This is now targeted a little bit more towards an enthusiast. I do like what they did there, and all their end.
Well, as you know, I used to own an i30N.
Yeah, no, they're fantastic cars. I used to work for a Hyundai dealer, and every time an Ed would come in, I'd be like, yes, let me take all the stickers off of it and that sort of stuff. But these are targeted now a little bit lower price point, so they're a really good buy. I don't know how they go after sitting for a while. With like battery life percentages and stuff. I don't know electric cars, so I don't really know.
Neither. Yeah,
either. So, but these are cool. It's kind of an electric car with a soul, because it's got your simulated engine noises and simulated gears. So it's got a little bit of pep. And Hyundai did a drift run. That was pretty cool.
I recall on this car seeing a lot of water spots on the glass and the trim. So it's been sitting around for a while, hasn't it? How did you remove all those?
Nice little secret sauce. It's
not vinegar, guys. If you go online, everyone says vinegar remove water spots. It doesn't. Vinegar does not work. All it does is makes you hungry and makes you feel like fish and chips.
The stuff we use, you require gloves, and we would recommend some type of face mask. It's a little bit. Is it toxic or caustic?
I don't know. Like caustic, I think it refers to a chemical property, and I think toxic just means dangerous, doesn't it?
Yeah. One of the two.
It's not caustic, no, because it's acidic. I think caustic refers to alkaline stuff.
Yeah. Okay. So it's corrosive. That's the one. Any sort of edge where water's going to sit over time, because this is a 2023 model year. It's like November 23 when it was complied. Anywhere where water has sat in this, like from rain or just general washing on like a car yard, water's sat and then it's dried and then it's left behind all like the calcium and limescale deposits everywhere. It was all over the whole thing, and even like a lot of these black plastics, they were super scratched up. Like, yeah, sure, it's great, it's a matte car, I don't have to polish it, but I then had to tape up every single bit that was piano black or something that I needed to polish, taped up the matte so I didn't get any polish on the mat, turn the mat shiny. So a little bit more finesse than say just like a Tesla coming in, nice cookie cutter, but well worth it because this thing's looking fresh again.
Yeah, normally I'd recommend, and I still do, PPFing matte cars, but you know, it is a lot more expensive, and I think this one we're putting the XPEL Fusion Stealth coating on it, so it's the XPEL coating which is designed for matte cars, and the XPEL glass coating, wheel coating, interior, and the works.
And the best part about that stealth coating is you can chuck it on like the gloss bits as well, so you don't have to switch coatings between different like material types.
Yeah, no, you wouldn't do that anyway because you're always going to get like overlapping panels and things like that. And yeah, whilst you know there's no polishing required, I think a matte car uses twice as much coating. There's just more surface area, and you know,
more porous. The paint itself is more porous. Like if you see a matte car that's actually matte paint, not matte film, the matte paint itself is like it's very heavily textured because of the way that they actually get that matte finish.
Right now.
You can see the texture. You run your hand over it and you're like, oh, it's not smooth, but it's like, it's slick, but it's got like all the textured parts of the matte paint. So like it uses a smidge more coating, but yeah, it's not that big of a deal.
Awesome. Anything else interesting? CLA, this is going to be a big transformation. I can see on the boot already. Check out the texture. I think is this mountain grey, I think?
Mercedes. I don't know Mercedes.
Yeah, I believe this is mountain grey. I remember back in the day, guys, we used to do a lot of like CLA 45 AMGs in mountain grey, and they had so much texture on the paint. Mikey's prepped this car, and it's been tinted. This one's also been tinted. I think, Kai, now you're doing the coating right now, or are you up to coating it, or still prepping it?
The coating's finished. I now need to do the glass coating, and Mikey will do the interior detail and coating. Shouldn't need too much of a detail, just a quick hit.
Yeah.
And then our interior coating, the leather, cloth, fabric, carpet mats. He'll probably do the carpet lines as well. Big carpet line guy.
Yeah, I like carpet lines, but I don't. It varies. There's a fine line.
There's a use case. The use case that I do myself is if the car's had an interior detail and it's got interior coating, the lines signify that it's got that coating for me. But yeah, some people don't like the lines. Some people really like the lines and ask for it. So
yeah, guys, if you like lines, ask us. If you don't want lines, let us know.
Yeah, either way, I'll put lines in, and I do mats only. Yeah, not like the actual carpet on like the transmission tunnel or where it would be.
I agree. Mikey,
not on cloth door panels. Don't do lines there. Just the mats, please.
Yeah, I got my car back the other day. Mikey had detailed my interior for me on the Cayman, and it looked like a soccer field. I was like, Mikey, what's going on? He had brushed everything. I was like, bro, come on. Luckily, you just get a brush and you just brush all the fibers one way. It doesn't take too long, but yeah, it was a bit over the top. I was getting a bit dizzy just looking at everything.
Yeah, interior stuff. Oh, and then I got to do the wheel faces really quick, which is nice and easy. And then just a final touch up, send out in about 3 hours. So
awesome.
And then yeah, fun.
Yeah, no, this will be fun. This will be a good one. Awesome. All right, let's go on. Thanks, Kai. What else we got today, guys? Oh yeah, we've got, this is a VE Series 2. Let me know in the comments below what car this is, but this is a VE SS Commodore in for full window tint. Actually, it was strip and tint. It's been done. We've got XPEL Prime XR Plus 20% on here all round. And then a full correction, wheels off, calipers, interior, the works. This is actually Mateo's uncle's car, so we have to be extra good on it. Mateo's uncle, shout out Robert, top bloke, one of my OG customers from all the way back in the day. Got a lot of water spotting, a lot of swirls. Black car, it's going to come up great. I think the wheels will need some touching up. The Brembos will need some deep cleaning, and the interior is going to need a bit of love as well. So keep an eye out on our socials as we share the progress with you on this one. And other than that, guys, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment below. And until next time, stay protected.